In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful feature if you want to keep watching a YouTube video while browsing other tabs, checking emails, or working on something else at the same time. It gives you a small floating video player that stays on top, so you can multitask without missing a moment. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, go to YouTube and open any video you want to watch. It can be any video, so pick one that you want to test with. Now, once the video starts playing, right-click directly inside the video area. If the normal YouTube menu appears, you may need to right-click a second time or click in the correct part of the video until you see the browser menu options. In that menu, look for the option that says Mini Player. This is the setting that will switch the video into picture-in-picture mode. Click Mini Player and the video will instantly pop out into a small floating window. That means picture-in-picture mode is now active. You can move this little window around your screen, keep it in the corner, and continue using Chrome or any other apps while the video keeps playing. This is especially helpful for tutorials, music videos, live streams, or any content you want to keep visible while you work. And if you ever want to go back to the normal view, just click the video or return to the tab it came from. So that's it. You've now enabled picture-in-picture mode in Google Chrome. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how you watch videos and multitask online. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.